If you deal with images online, whether you run a website, e-commerce store, or create content, optimizing and managing images can be a headache. In this video, we will review Pixel Pen AI, what it does, its features, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. What is Pixel Pen AI? Pixel Pen AI is a cloud-based image optimization and transformation platform. It helps you compress, resize, enhance, and deliver images faster using AI without losing quality. It's mainly built for developers, businesses, and content-heavy platforms that handle a lot of images. Key features: real-time image optimization. Pixel Pen automatically compresses images and serves the best format depending on the user's device, and this helps improve loading speed and overall performance. AI image transformations. You can resize, crop, watermark, and adjust images dynamically using simple URL parameters. No need to manually edit images one by one. Automatic format conversion. It converts images into modern formats like WebP or AVIF, which load faster but still look sharp. CDN delivery. Pixel Pen uses a global CDN, so images load quickly from anywhere in the world. Bulk image processing. You can optimize thousands of images at once, which is great for large websites or online stores. Use cases. Pixel Pen AI is best for e-commerce websites, blogs with lots of images, SaaS platforms, mobile apps, developers who want automation. So if you are just casually editing photos, this tool might be overkill. Pros: saves time with automation, improves website speed significantly, easy integration with APIs, supports modern image formats, scalable for large projects. And for the cons, it's not beginner friendly for non-technical users especially, requires some setup and understanding of URLs and APIs, limited usefulness for basic photo editing. Pricing can increase as usage grows. Pricing: Pixel Pen offers a free tier, but it comes with limits on usage. Paid plans scale based on how many images you process and deliver, so small users can start free, but businesses may need to upgrade. Ease of use: the dashboard is clean, but the platform is clearly built for developers and advanced users. Most of power comes from using image URLs and API integrations, not a simple drag and drop interface. Performance: this is where Pixel Pen really shines. Optimized images load faster, reduce bandwidth usage, and can improve your SEO rankings. For high traffic websites, the difference is noticeable. Conclusion and final verdict. So is Pixel Pen AI worth it? If you manage a website or app with lots of images and want better performance, yes, it's a strong tool. But if you are just looking for a simple image editor, this is not the right choice. And that is it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and tell me down below in the comments if you have used Pixel Pen AI before or not, and tell me more about your experience in the comments. Share this video to your friends, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.